Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we're going to talk about Jamaica Broilers Group Limited, Chicken King right here in Jamaica, but massive U.S. operations also. The earnings have been doing so well. Share price hasn't really moved too much in the last couple of months or so. We'll see what happens there to close out this year, 2022, and next year, 2023. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, updated net asset value here. That's MJE. They had the time of their life earlier this year. The net asset value really ran up accordingly. It's kind of settled down here now, in let's say the third quarter or so, approaching the fourth quarter. Bottom line here is the net asset value for Mayberry Jamaican Equities for September 2nd, 2022, just under $17. It's been hovering around here, $16.66 per share to be exact. Now, CPJ, Caribbean Producers Jamaica Limited, coming out. Interesting announcement here. Talk about CEO resignation. Our CEO went in and boom, came out of that hot seat ever so fast here, or one of the faster changes in the CEO or resignation we've seen on the JSE, the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Back to the point here, Mr. Todd Strom has resigned his capacity as CEO of Caribbean Producers effective September 5th. 2022, just the other day. As we mentioned, we think he's just in the role now a couple of months, maybe not even a quarter, or a quarterly earnings report or so. A rough estimate there. Bottom line is Mr. Mark Hart will assume the position of interim CEO until further notice. Now, Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, trading in the shares here. Sagicor Group Jamaica advisory that an executive sold a total of 35,000 Sagicor Group Jamaica shares on August 24th, 2022. We've been seeing some trades like this in Sagicor Group Jamaica. Not huge trades, probably just some company insiders, executives, directors, connected parties taking something off the table or some liquidity. Last up, we got Barita Investments Limited. A nice look, a good look here. They did this in 2021. It was well received by the market and, of course, the employees. It's an ESOP, Employee Stock Ownership Plan. Not a lot of companies on the JSE do it, but globally, U.S. markets, it's like a standard, a bellwether, or a benchmark. Barita states here, that's BIL, ticker symbol BIL. They've advised they're going to be acquiring up to 10 million Barita ordinary shares under the ESOP program, and it will be done in the market or from the market between September 6th, so we're in that period right now, to October 14th, 2022. I mean, 10 million shares, that could be something like, just under $1 billion. It's a lot of money. And Barita talks to a lot of great things. Look, they want to keep their staff motivated, energized, generating profits, intergenerational wealth, all of that good stuff. We like all of those things. More and more companies need to be doing this, not just in the financial sector, manufacturing, distribution. But read that press release. A lot of good tidbits there, a lot of good news there. And it's a competitive market, especially in the financial sector. They go into that overall. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.